E Square. We think smarter to simplify your life at work.
Like every other day, Mike is on duty and is responsible for the maintenance of the machines installed at the work site. But unlikely, he made a mistake today and did not switch off and lock out the power supply of the machine he was working on. This could have been his last day at work if the supervisor would not have noticed and switched off the machine. Carelessness can lead to big accidents. Inspect the area and consider all energies acting on the machines before you begin your work. Always remember, turn off the main energy source and lock it out with a suitable device so that no one else could turn it back on unknowingly. Avoid accidents at work. Make Lockout Tagout a habit. Mistakes can be deadly. Carelessness can lead to big accidents. Always turn off and lock out the hazardous energy sources before maintenance or servicing.